Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crop a photo in Gimp. It will be really simple and easy. To do that, go to tools over here in the top and go to transform tools and you can see this crop tool shift plus C. You can use the shortcut if you want, crop, and now left click and drag to make a selection on your image which you want to crop like this. You can move your crop like this or you can move it like this as well if you select these edges or over here. When you are satisfied with your crop, just position your mouse over this corner and click it, over this corner and click it, and you can see that your image is cropped. Another way to do this is to go to tools, click selection tools and click this rectangle select, and now select the area. You can see that also you have this handles over here. If you select this in middle, you can have this big square, and now you go to image and click crop to selection. It will crop the image to your selection, which is this one over here. And that's pretty much it. That's how to crop a photo in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.